Friends, vehicle backup cameras help drivers see behind the car while reversing, improving parking accuracy and reducing blind spots. Started, number 1. Car backup camera. The car backup camera with 12 LED night vision is a universal rear-view camera designed to improve safety and visibility while reversing. It features 680p Ultra HD resolution, 12 automatic LED lights for enhanced night vision, an IP68 waterproof housing for reliable performance in rain and car washes, and a 140 degrees wide-angle adjustable viewing lens to reduce blind spots. Number 2. AGQT01 AHD and CVBS camera. The AGQT01 AHD and CVBS license plate backup camera is a universal rear/front view camera designed to enhance parking safety for cars, trucks, SUVs, pickups, RVs, and vans. It features an upgraded 1080p AHD image sensor with switchable AHD and CVBS video output, making it compatible with both modern and older vehicle displays. The camera offers IP69K waterproof metal housing, LED-enhanced night vision, and a wide-angle lens for a clear view with reduced blind spots. Number 3. AZDOME PG17 Pro Dash Cam. The AZDOME PG17 Pro Starvis 2 Mirror Dash Cam is a premium 12-inch smart rear-view mirror dash camera that records in 4K front plus 2.5K rear resolution with dual HDR for exceptional image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions. Powered by the Sony IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers outstanding night vision and clear license plate capture. The PG17 Pro also features ADAS driver assistance, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfers, built-in GPS, voice control, a responsive touchscreen display, and includes a 128 GB microSD card. Number 4. PixelMan PMD2 SHD camera. The PixelMan PMD2A SAHD 1080p backup camera is a high-performance metal rear-view reversing camera designed for cars, SUVs, RVs, and other vehicles. It features a 1080p AHD CMOS sensor with support for AHD and CVBS/HD signal switching, a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens for reduced blind spots, and clear night vision with enhanced low-light performance. Built with a rugged IP69 waterproof alloy housing, the camera is engineered to withstand harsh weather and car washes. Number 5. AUTO-VOX Solar Camera. The AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera is a convenient, cable-free reversing camera system designed for cars, vans, SUVs, trucks, and trailers. It features a 5-inch 1080p HD monitor, a solar-powered 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, and a 2-minute DIY installation with no drilling or wiring required. The system supports dual-camera split-screen viewing, provides a stable digital wireless signal with a transmission range of up to 500 feet. Number 6. AUTO-VOX CS2 camera. The AUTO-VOX CS2 wireless backup camera is an easy-to-install rear-view camera system designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, trailers, and RVs. It features a 4.3-inch LCD monitor, a stable 2.4 GHz digital wireless signal that minimizes interference, and a PC1058 image sensor for clear daytime images and super night vision in low-light conditions. The camera offers IP68 waterproof protection, adjustable parking guidelines, a 110 degrees viewing angle. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.